this is better grilled. Today we're taking on the Tastykake Butterscotch Krimpet. Got the grill going. I'm just going to throw it on and make it happen. Now the first thing I'm going to do is separate them. And we're actually going to put one face down and one face up. Just to cut to the chase. Ready? Face down, face up. Oh, it's just liquefying right on the grill. The other one seems to be doing okay. It's toasting up nicely. But the icing down, not so good. Looks like a problem. It's actually bubbling. It's just melting right off. I said the other one seems to be doing fine. It's growing up nice. Just can't put that icing down first. Oh, you know what? It smells like cotton candy. It means it's starting to caramelize. I'm going to flip that just because it's not going to get much better. Oh, I'm losing icing left and right. Oh, and this is going to be bad, but that one's growing okay. I'm going to try to flip it on its side. No, it just smells like burnt marshmallows. Still very soft. I'm going to close the lid for a minute. Let's really get some heat going. Ooh. It's starting to smell really bad, actually. Still really soft. Yeah, charbroiled goodness. Oh, just dropped. You can already tell I am not a grill master of any kind. I'm going to lose the icing on the other one. There it goes. Luckily, for comparison, we have a perfectly safe, fine version that will be okay. Turn off the heat. Let's try these out. First, the regulars. I expect this to be fine. A little dry because it was out in the sun. I wonder if it would be worse like that for the grilled ones. Alright, here we go. Oh, the outside's all crispy. Bottom's blackened and burnt. Still pretty hot. The icing is like kind of crystallized. Alright, here we go. Burn part's not very good. It's kind of amazing to me, like these types of products lose a lot of flavor once you cook them, when you grill them. It's crispy around the edges, still pretty soft on the inside. It's not great. Makes them kind of weak. All the heavy sugar flavor in the butterscotch is gone. Putting them on the grill doesn't make them any better. No better at all. Makes them a little crispier. Ruins the icing. Burns the bottom. Dries out the cake. No. Total waste of time. Don't do it. So the results, Not so good. Didn't improve it at all. Kind of wasted time, actually. Made it dry, crispy, burnt, pasty. I mean, compared to one right out of the container. Look at that, golden, spongy. Perfection. Who might have think that grilling would improve a butterscotch crimpet? Tips? Don't do it. Don't grill it. Next week, we grill gummy bears. And gummy worms if I can find them. Thanks for watching.